Alright, this is Butters with Star Noah again. Butters still has his baby teeth, so we're guessing he's coming up on 5 to 6 months of age. He is a really sweet little guy. Hey, little guy.
And he's also nice with kids.
Let's see what else. He's excellent in his crate. He's really tired. We've had some serious weather, serious heat here. Hey, guy. How are you? Yeah, say hi. Excellent with other dogs, excellent with people. Hopefully going home with Melissa Pallard sometime this week as soon as we work it out. But he's just been a really precious little guy. We've enjoyed him, and we're going to miss him a lot. Right, little baby? Yeah, we're going to miss you. And we're working on jumping, but I'm going to let him jump for the video so y'all can see him. But thank you guys for supporting him and the other rescue puppies we have here. And we'll keep you posted on his progress. Take care.
Bye.